Good morning, sir. Myself, SSO Kumar Reddy from 2nd CSA. Today, my topic is about a reuse approach in software engineering. Introduction to software reuse. Software reuse is the practice of leveraging existing software components in new application. This approaches aim to reduce development time, cost, and effect while improving software quality. In an era of rapid technology advancement, effective reuse strategies are becoming increasingly vital. Software components we have some components that have been developed, so we have to use those components and reduce the time and cost and effect of those projects. Next, benefits of software reuse. Increased productivity is achieved as developers can focus on new features instead of reinventing the wheel. Consistency and quality are enhanced since reduced components are often well tested and documented. Reducing time to market is crucial for competitive advantage, making reuse a strategic necessity. The productivity has been increased. You cannot be focused on those developed projects, and we have to reuse it. We have to use our project for quick development. Types of software reuse. Code reuse involves utilizing existing code libraries and frameworks to accelerate development. Design reuse focus on establishing architectural patterns and design principles in new projects. Knowledge reuse entails sharing experience, documentation, and best practices among teams to foster innovation. Approaches to software reuse. Components based software engineering emphasizes the use of modular components that can be easily integrated. Service oriented architecture promotes the use of services that can communicate over a network, enhancing flexibility. Domain oriented reuse focuses on creating software solutions tailored to specific domains, maximizing relevance. Requirement specifications. Next, component analysis, requirement management, system design, development and integration, and last, system validation. We have to some approaches to use the software. Challenges of software reuse. Identifying suitable reusable components can be time consuming and reduces thoroughly analysis. Compatibility issues may arise when integrating reused components with new software, causing delays. Ensuring proper documentation and maintenance of reused elements is essential for long-term sustainability. We have to maintain a proper documentation, further use of the software. If the documentation is not proper, we cannot be utilize it in the future, and cannot be analyzed by the another developer. Best practices for successful reuse. Establish clear guidelines for identifying and evaluating reusable components within the development process. Foster a culture of collaboration and knowledge sharing among team members to enhance reuse effects. Regularly review and update the repository of reusable components to maintain relevance and quality. Creating reusable React components for faster and more efficient development. We have to use the components that have to be fixed for all the software. The component that we have to reuse, it is suitable for those softwares, and we have to develop by those functionalities and usabilities. Tools and technologies for reuse. Repository management tools can help organize and catalog reusable software components effectively. Design patterns libraries provide developers with established solutions for common challenges in software design. Integrated development environment IDEs often include features that facilitate code reuse and integration. We have to use some environments, integrated development environment. That environment will have to reuse the code and integration our code. That facilities have been available in the integrated development environment. Next, case studies of successful reuse. Company A utilized a component-based approach to reduce development time by 40% in their latest projects. Organization B achieved a 30% decrease in defects by leveraging tested libraries across multiple applications. Project C improved team collaboration and efficiency through a centralized repository of reusable assets. Future trends in software reuse. What the futures have been in software reuse? The rise of microservices is promoting more modular and reusable software architectures across industries. Artificial intelligence tools are being developed to automate the identification and recommendation of reusable components. Open source software continues to expand, providing a wealth of reusable aspects for developers and worldwide. Verification and validation we have to observe in the diagram. Conclusion of my topic is about embracing a reuse approach in software engineering can lead to significant improvements in productivity and quality. Overcoming challenges and adhering to best practices are essential for maximizing the benefits of reuse. As technology evolves, the importance of software reuse will only continue to grow, sharing the future of development. Thank you, sir, giving this opportunity.